Do you know that around 90% of the millionaires in the world became rich through real estate? Yes, real estate investing has been one of the most trusted and powerful ways to build wealth. But the problem is, most beginners don't know where to start. In today's video, I am going to explain what real estate investing really means, how you can start even with a small amount, and how to grow your wealth smartly without taking big risks. So watch till the end because this one video can change your financial journey forever. What is real estate investing? Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is real estate investing? Real estate investing simply means buying a property not just to live in it but to earn income or profit from it. This can be done in many ways. For example, buying a home and renting it out for monthly income. Investing in commercial spaces like shops or offices. Buying land in developing areas and selling it later at a higher price. Or in even investing through REITs, real estate investment trust, where you can start with a very small amount online. The beauty of real estate is that it grows in value over time, giving you both income and long-term appreciation. How to start as a beginner? Now the big question, how you can start as a beginner, especially if you don't have huge capital. Let me make it simple for you. Step 1. Learn about your city's real estate market. Check which areas are developing, where new infrastructure or metro projects are coming. Step 2. Save a small amount regularly for a down payment. Even 10% can be enough to start with a small apartment or plot. Step 3. Choose location over luxury. A small property in a prime location will appreciate faster than a big one in a remote area. Step 4. Once you buy it, rent it out. Let your tenant pay your EMI. This way your property starts paying for itself. And if you can't afford property right now, start with REITs or fractional real estate platforms where you can invest with a little as 500 or 1000 rupees. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about starting early. How to save tax through real estate. Here's a secret that most people don't know. Real estate doesn't just help you earn money, it also helps you save tax. Let me explain. Under Section 24B, you can claim up to 2 lakh deduction every year on your home loan interest. Under Section 80C, you can claim up to 1.5 lakh on principal repayment. And if your property is rented out, you can also deduct municipal taxes and maintenance costs before calculating your taxable income. That means real estate not only builds wealth but also reduces your tax burden significantly. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, before you jump in, let's talk about the most common mistakes beginners make. Buying emotionally, like purchasing a fancy home just because it looks good. Ignoring paperwork. Legal documents, NOC, and registration are extremely important. Not checking property appreciation trends. Over borrowing through loans and then struggling to repay. Real estate rewards patience, not panic. Always think long term, 5 to 10 years minimum. Smart tips for successful investing. Now, here are smart tips that can make your investing journey a success. Invest in areas with upcoming infrastructure like metro, highways, or new IT parks. Diversify your investment. Don't put all your money in one property. Keep your credit score healthy. It helps you get better loan rates. And most importantly, never stop learning. Follow real estate trends, talk to experts, and keep updating your knowledge. Conclusion. So, friends, real estate investing is not about luck. It's about a smart planning, patience, and consistency. Even if you start small today, after 10 years, you will be surprised to see how much your wealth has grown. Remember, don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Healthy and Wealth, and share it with someone who wants to build a secure financial future. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and keep growing. Thank you.